Here it is. Oh, that is heavy. Yeah, this is it. I'm so thrilled to get this. So this is the smart balancing wheel. This is like Christmas. Yeah. Wow. Look what's inside here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, that is heavy. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that thing. Wow, that looks awesome. So it's got nice rubber wheels on both sides. There's a charging port and I guess a power button right there. Rubber grips on top. Looks like there's two lights right there on this side. There's some lights also. Wow, this looks so cool. Okay. So it looks like it's fully charged. Let's see, I think I just stand on it, right?
Daddy, I think you're going backwards.
Oh, that's pretty easy. What do you mean I'm going backwards?
So the lights are facing backwards. Shouldn't they be facing forward?
Oh, the lights are facing backwards. Where are the lights? That's easy.
Right there.
Okay, so let's try again. So awesome, I love it. Oh. Pretty good, pretty good. I think I got it.
Do you think?
It's really weird.
It reads your mind?
Your feet just move, make it move in the direction it's supposed to go in.
Oh, it's so easy.
I can't wait to ride this thing outside.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm riding the hoverboard now, and it's pretty easy to ride. It's a little scary, but it's really easy to learn. It's fast, and it stops really fast. I can see how this could be dangerous if you didn't know what you were doing. If it started going too fast, and then you stopped suddenly, you'd go flying off of it. Cool. Stop. Turn towards me. See? You did it. Go backwards. See? There you go around. Just lean both feet forward a little.
Going forward is a bit hard. I think it's so easy.
Tip your toes forward and go forward. Tip both toes.
What?
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Let me try this.
Are you gonna make me go?
You're not squarely on it. Your one foot is not even on it. There we go. See? Nope. Yeah, see this green light? Tells you both your feet are on the right spots. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Yeah, you can do it. I see you're already learning. But don't go fast, okay? Don't go fast, go slow. Yeah. listen. Good job. You go here. Oh yeah, it's getting easier and easier. Good thing we have a basement to learn this in.
It's 10 o'clock. Why are you playing? What are you guys up to?
Hoverboard.
What?
Hoverboard.
Oh god. Upstairs, it's time for bed.
Okay, we're right. Well, we're gonna go now.
I'm killed.
Wow.
Go slow. Don't try to go fast. So this is the manual it comes with. Some specs. The thing weighs 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. The minimum load is 20 kilograms, which is 44 pounds. The maximum load is 100 kilograms or 220 pounds. Maximum speed is 10 kilometers an hour. The range per charge, according to this, is 15 to 20 kilometers. That's a pretty good range. Hey, can you guys not talk? Okay, so my early impressions on this thing is fantastic. These things are really gonna become popular, no question about it. It's super easy to use, it's really easy to learn. Even Naveen, who's 6 years old, picked it up fairly simply. It's a really simple product. There's one button to turn it on and off. There are 2 indicator LEDs. One tells you you're standing on it right, and the other tells you the battery level. It'd be good if you could get more info on the battery level. This model doesn't tell you anything except it's good, it's almost gone, or it's pretty much fully gone. But overall, yeah, very happy with this. I'm gonna do a more detailed review where I'll test it outside. So subscribe to the channel so that you can see that review when it comes out. Also subscribe to my channel. I post a new video every day. And if you like this video, please press the like button as it really helps the channel. Thank you for watching.